High above us, in the vastness of space, hangs our very own magical moon. It's a giant ball of rock, always spinning around our planet. And like a chameleon changing its colors, the moon seems to change its shape every night. These shapes are called the phases of the moon, and they are a spectacle for everyone to behold. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered why the moon looks different sometimes? Some nights it's a bright, full circle. Other nights it's just a sliver of light. But why is that? Well, the moon doesn't have its own light. It's like a mirror, reflecting the light from the sun. As the moon travels around Earth, we see different amounts of the sunlit part. That's what causes the moon's phases. It's like a cosmic dance between the sun, the Earth, and the moon. Are you ready to learn about these phases? Let's embark on a lunar adventure, exploring each phase and the magic it holds. Our journey begins with the new moon. During this phase, the moon is invisible to us. It's hiding from our view, playing a cosmic game of hide and seek. We can't see it in the sky, not even a tiny sliver. But even though we can't see the new moon, it's still there in the sky. It's just that the sun is shining on the side of the moon that faces away from Earth. Imagine a friend hiding behind a tree. You can't see them, but you know they're there. The new moon is a time for new beginnings, a fresh start. It's like a blank page in your notebook, ready for you to fill it with your dreams and aspirations. Close your eyes and make a wish upon the hidden new moon. Who knows, it might just come true. Now that we've wished upon the new moon, let's move on to the next exciting phase of our lunar adventure. A few days after the new moon, a tiny sliver of light appears in the sky. Look closely, can you spot it? That's the waxing crescent moon peeking at us from the cosmic curtains. The word waxing means growing, and crescent refers to the curved shape that looks like a banana or a smile. The moon is starting to reveal itself to us, but only a little bit for now. As the days go by, this sliver of light will grow bigger and bigger, like a plant reaching for the sunlight. It's like the moon is saying, "Hello there, I'm back and I'm ready to shine." The waxing crescent moon is a time for setting intentions. What do you want to achieve in the coming days? Write down your goals and dreams. Let the growing moon inspire you to reach for the stars. The first quarter moon, half in light, half in shadow. Our journey continues to the first quarter moon. Now half of the moon is illuminated by the sun's light, creating a perfect half circle in the sky. It's like someone sliced the moon in half, with one side bathed in sunlight and the other shrouded in darkness. We can clearly see the line that separates the light and dark sides of the moon. This line is called the terminator, and it's where day turns into night on the moon. Can you imagine standing on the terminator, with the sun rising over the horizon? What a sight that would be! The first quarter moon is a time for taking action. You've set your intentions during the waxing crescent moon, and now it's time to make things happen. Just like the moon is steadily growing brighter, let your efforts grow stronger too. But our lunar journey isn't over yet. There are more phases to explore, each with its own unique magic. The waxing gibbous moon growing plumper. Hold on tight as we approach the waxing gibbous moon. The moon continues to wax, meaning it's growing larger and more illuminated each night. It's now more than half full, looking plumper and brighter in the night sky. Gibbous is just a fancy word for humped or convex. It describes the moon's shape during this phase, bulging out like a balloon about to burst with light. As the days pass, the dark sliver on the moon gets smaller and smaller until it disappears completely. The moon is preparing to transform into its full glory, shining brightly upon us. The waxing gibbous moon is a time for patience and perseverance. Just like the moon is steadily approaching its full potential, keep working towards your goals even when things get challenging. Get ready, because our next stop is the magnificent full moon. The full moon, bathed in moonlight. Prepare to be dazzled, because we've arrived at the full moon. The entire face of the moon is now illuminated, shining brightly like a giant celestial disco ball. It's a truly breathtaking sight to behold. The full moon is a time for celebration and gratitude. Look back on the past month and appreciate how far you've come. Just like the moon's light bathes the earth, let gratitude fill your heart. Throughout history, people have told stories and myths about the full moon. Some cultures believe it has magical powers, while others use it to mark important events. But even without the myths and legends, the full moon is a reminder of the wonders of our universe. It's a time to gaze up at the stars and dream big. Beyond the moon, a universe of possibilities. Our journey through the moon's phases has come to an end, but our exploration of the universe is just beginning. There's so much more to discover out there, from distant planets and twinkling stars to black holes and galaxies far, far away. One day, you might be the astronaut who walks on Mars or the scientist who discovers a new planet. Maybe you'll invent a spaceship that travels faster than the speed of light, or build a telescope that can see the edge of the universe. The future of space exploration is in your hands. Keep asking questions, keep dreaming big, and never stop exploring the wonders of the universe. To learn more about the moon, space, and technology, be sure to subscribe to BeatLab Kids TV for more exciting adventures.